everyone, today I'm gonna fix my Prompto jacket. So it's just gonna be like a little tutorial on how to fix patches when you've washed your jacket a little bit too much and they start to come off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rip off this whole thing, and I'm going to be using WonderUnder, which is an interfacing. It's a double-sided interfacing that will melt down once you iron it. It's essentially kind of what the backing of iron-on patches are. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's similar feel and texture and look, so I'm assuming it's similarly to the same thing. So in WonderUnder, you'll get it at like Joann's or fabric store. It's rolled up just like fabric. You'll tell them how many yards or how much you want, and they'll cut it off for you. You can, it's with the interfacing, so like the stuff you put in quilts and stuff like that. And I just learned about this like back in August of 2018, so I'm fairly new to it. And I have it set up on a little tabletop ironing board that I've had since college. Since I'm in a very small space, this works really well. I got the ironing board from Target, got the iron from Target, all that good stuff. It's lasted me a good like 6-7 years, so I haven't completely destroyed it yet. And again, the WonderUnder, you'll just ask them, be like, hey, I need some WonderUnder. That's the brand name of it. And they should be able to point you in the right direction and all that good stuff. And you can use it for a ton of different things. I put my Ozawa scarf restraints together. It's held together with WonderUnder because I had bought thicker interfacing, think it was double-sided, but only one side was double-sided, so I had to use this as like a glue, and I cut out a small piece of it. I have maybe half a yard left from what I was working on, and that'll be enough to hold the patches back down. Hopefully. Can always add more. It's cheap. I want to say it's like not even $2 a yard. It's at least here in Georgia. I noticed a lot of things tend to be cheaper here than in other places. I'm not really sure why, but they are. So yeah, and then I've used it. I made the back, like the patch on Sydney's jacket from drawing on the WonderUnder, ironing it onto fabric, and then ironing the fabric with using WonderUnder on to the jacket. So now I'm gonna start. I cut out, and this is what like a bigger sheet of it looks like. It looks like paper. I mean, it's backed with like parchment paper. It comes on that, and there we are. And I have my iron set on the steam setting. And I need to grab a towel. I had one over here. There we go. Because you don't want to burn anything, see. So I just got a towel. Preferably a damp towel. But, I mean, once you start steaming, it'll be fine. Just so you don't burn anything or damage the patch. And this is my favorite patch. I don't know if you guys can read that. It says, "It's a beautiful day. Now watch some bastard fuck it up." I think that's pretty much everyone's favorite who cosplays as Prompto. So I'm just gonna line it up in the back. The edges will melt. See, so it's lined. The WonderUnder is now lined up, and I'm just gonna. I conveniently had already studded this, so that makes it a lot easier to line up correctly. And also there's like the remnants of what I did the last time. Oh yes, and the iron is set on the steam setting. I found that melts the WonderUnder better. It's higher than is recommended for it, heat-wise, but I find it holds better when you do that. So just kind of make sure you keep an eye on it when you are ironing, and don't burn anything. Like I melted the top of this table that this is on a couple of times. Alright, just trying to straighten it all out, make sure it looks good. My beautiful nails, they're great. And for anyone who's like, but you say you're broke all the time, how do you afford to get your nails done? I don't, I get press-ons. And that's why they're done every week, because I just get some like $8 press-ons from Target. And that's it. And then like if you get the nude color, or like the clear ones, you can paint them whatever you want them to be. But that's not what this is about. So I'm gonna cover that up. It's not a damp towel. It should be a damp towel, but it's not. You ready to go? Let's see. It's gonna steam up my camera, isn't it? Yeah, it is. And then you just kind of hold it there for a little bit. Make sure everything gets nice and melted. If you are fixing it like I am, and you have those studs are gonna be hot. So make sure you don't touch them. And try to keep your hand out of the steam, because it hurts. It's not pleasant. Let me make sure I get that corner up high. It's so foggy. Now let's see. Hey! It worked! Now, I don't know if you can tell on here. Yeah, you can't, but there's like a little bit of the excess, so I am going to go back over it one more time just to make sure that's all nice and melted. And this only takes like a minute or two. It's really quick, so if you have a ton of patches like this jacket does that you need to fix, it won't take you too long. And one of the good things about the WonderUnder, you can cut it to whatever size and shape you need it. If you need like a tiny, like 2-centimeter strip, then you're able to do that. Hopefully you don't have to use it to that little bit, but it feels like it'd be a pain. Alright, that should do it. Yeah. Ow. Don't touch the metal bits. Me. You dumb. Alrighty. I'm doing this because it's really hot. I don't want to burn my fingies. My fingies unburnt. Yeah, it's on there. Let's see. Can't get it up. Oh, good. That makes me very happy that worked. I knew it would work, but I wanted to make sure it would work. You know what I mean? Alright, well, I hope. And see, now it all looks nice and good. Yeah, I like that a lot. And it looks all good and semi, almost, kind of, sort of professional. Not really, but I lie to myself a lot. Alright, I hope you have a great day. Like, comment if you have any tips or tricks like this, or what you want to see in the next tutorial. I'm finishing up Prompto. The wig tutorial is going to be coming up later the next week or so, and I'm finishing up Sydney this week too, and I'll show you how to put the patch and the details on her. But let me know if there's anything else you want to see in like the next coming up month or so, and I will do it. And make sure you subscribe as well. Remember, I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!